The news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi says the government's target is to take defence export to $5 billion by 2024-25. He said India will soon be the world's largest defence manufacturing base. Addressing the inaugural function of Aero India 2023 in Karnataka's Bengaluru, Modi said the nation is touching new heights today and Aero India 2023 is a prime example of this. He said the theme of Aero India, the runaway to a billion opportunities, reflects the rise of the country in different spheres. Addressing the gathering, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh said that under Prime Minister's able leadership, India is emerging as a leader in every sphere. He said Aero India has provided a new strength to the defence sector.
से डर नहीं लगता, जो सबसे ऊंची उड़ान भरने के लिए उत्साहित है। आज का भारत तेज सोचता है, दूर की सोचता है और तुरंत फैसले लेता है। ठीक